Hello YouTube, Statue Under 75 here with Panini Prizm Fastbreak box break number 5. Just did box break 4. I picked up a couple boxes of this product over the weekend because I love it. It's probably the best Prizm product you can get for your money, honestly, because you get a lot of variations, you get a lot of color, and you get the Fastbreak variations that you get from Hobby as well for the price, fraction of the Hobby price. And the cards are worth almost as much as the Hobby. I mean, there are, I know in the Hobby you can get some, but you can get some 1-for-1s in there too. So yeah, it's pretty good for your value. So you see in the last break we got some good cards. We got a Fastbreak Prizm of my guy Jason Tatum. So it looks so nice next to the regular base card. I like the Fastbreak. I like the disco bubbles. And then we got a couple Luck of the Lotteries. Should probably get them sleeved up. Got a PJ Washington and a Cam Johnson. Luck of the Lottery Prizms. So those are pretty good too. Just want to get them in the sleeves real quick. See how we got these two guys. The Luck of the Lottery. Nice and shiny. So those nice. Then we got like a Fearless Shaq. The autograph wasn't so hot. We got Montrezl Harrell. I don't believe he's a rookie. I think he's just a veteran. But anyway, let's get into the product. We'll start on the right and work our way left. I say again that the Fastbreak Rui. The box was pretty good overall. I'd say we're 3 for 4 out of 4 boxes. My second of 4 boxes was terrible, but do pretty good on these. Fearless Clyde Drexler. That's pretty cool. Clyde the Glide. So that's not bad. We'll put that with the Fearless Shaq that we got earlier in the last box. So, not so bad. Quiet Ain't so bad, to quote Mr. T. Hope you guys are old enough to get that quote from Rocky 3. Mo Bamba. Kobe White. And, oh, nice, another purple rookie. Love this product. So, you know, it wasn't Ja or Zion, but still. My Aoni could do something soon, you never know. And it's numbered to 75, I believe. Yep, 54/75. Beautiful. Take another purple. We got Jalen Noel in the last box for the purple Fastbreak Prizm. So not a Zion or a Ja, but still a Prizm rookie could turn out to be amazing. Do you think Trae Young, like when Trae Young last, year first started, I mean, yeah, everyone knew about Luka right off the bat. Everyone was going for Luka, but not everyone was going for Trae Young, and now Ice Trae is doing pretty good, and his cards are doing pretty good to boot. Oh, that was Patrick Ewing. I thought that was Zion for a quick second. Too bad. PJ Tucker, DeMar DeRozan, Justin James rookie, and a Justin Jackson Prizm. Fastbreak Prizm. And a Patrick Ewing. So I have faith in this product. It's been pretty good to me so far. Been pretty fortunate with it. I've gotten 2 Fastbreak Zions out of it. There's a base Jalen Noel rookie. And a Ben Simmons fireworks. That's pretty cool. And Miles Bridges. If the price stays the same, I will buy more of this product for sure. I'm not sure if you can get 101 blacks, black fast break prisms or not. Finite fast breaks. Ooh, is that a pink? Lou Williams, of all people, it had to be Lou Williams. Couldn't have been like a big rookie. Pinks to 50 too. Man, a pink Zion job would have been beautiful. It's okay. I'm not complaining. Sweet Lou. All right. Moving right along. I wonder if anyone's ever gotten like 2 pinks in a box, like multiples numbered to 50 in a box. So like maybe Zion isn't out of our reach, the pink Zion still. Jason Tatum. Alonzo Trio. Avery Bradley. Rajon Rondo. Nice. Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Fast break. Prism. Not bad at all. Not too shabby. And a Jason Tatum. All right. And the Rui Fast Break Prism was also a variation too, which is a short print. So that's pretty cool too. I believe that's a variation. I'm pretty sure it is. Pretty sure it is. Lucas Emack, I get this guy all the time. And a Caldwell Pope. Alright, Prism. So, last box yielded a Trae Young Prism. Allen Iverson Fire Out. That's cool. Prism. Fast break Prism. That was the silver from the last box. Much better than the silver from this box, but that's okay. Can't all be winners. Magic Johnson. Danilo. John Morant base. I'll take that. Too bad it wasn't the John Morant blue. That would have been really nice. That would have been really, really nice. If it was a John Morant numbered to 175. Not so lucky. Devin Booker. Magic Johnson. Oh, I thought that was Zion with the pose and the O-N at the end. Last name. Jordan Bone. Dion Waiters. And the Admiral, David Robinson. Still cool. Still a cool card to get. Funny, I don't think they don't do this fast break. They only do it for basketball. They don't do it for football. Carson Edwards base, rookie. Dirk Nowitzki. And another Kobe. Yeah, they don't do this variation for the football prism. Which would be nice if they did. But I don't believe they do. Could be wrong, but I don't think so. Aaron Gordon. Jarrett Culver. Too bad that wasn't a prism. Aaron Gordon instead for the prism. Andre Drummond. Chris LeVert. Daniel Gafford. Clyde the Glide on that prism variation. Fast break prism. Jordan Kelly Clarkson. Giannis. Haven't seen much of him in this break, in breaking this product. Admiral. D Rose. Fireworks of Chris Paul. Where's my fireworks stash? There it is. And Anthony Hardaway. Red Prizm, Jonathan Isaac. Oh, here's our auto. Please be someone good. Jalen Brunson on the red. Number 2, 125. So, let's see who the auto is. Is it a PJ Washington? God damn it. Rookie autographs. I already have PJ Washingtons. Oh, I can't get lucky with the autos on these. I mean, that's good. If he does good, that's great. I'll have 2 of his auto fast breaks. I can't. I have shit luck with the autographs on this product, but I have good luck with the regular other cards. But the autos, I can't catch a break and get like a big rookie. Been pretty lucky with the football. Markelle Fultz. I've gotten a few of the Kyler Murray autos. Malik Monk, Fast Break Prizm. Not who I wanted, but yeah, this box has kind of been Nothing huge out of this box. 4 packs left to go, too. Sorry, correction, 3 packs left to go. And nothing major coming out of this box. Unless PJ Washington goes on to have an amazing basketball career in the NBA, then there'll be something big out of this box. But we do have a silver that could make up for... Oh, if only that was a silver Zion. Oh, Devin Booker. Oh, if only it was a silver. Still, base Zion's good. Still do good with this product. Last few pack mojo. Oh, if only that silver was the Zion. I just sent in a bunch of Zions to get graded. Devin Booker. Oh, what a tease. Got 2 silvers out of this box, too. John Starks, Fearless. Man, the Fearless seems to be all veteran players. Hey, I'm not complaining about getting a base Zion rookie, because even those sell for like $50. Graded, they sell for really good money. So this product still, even the mediocre boxes, still pretty good. Kyle Lowry. Not who I wanted for a card numbered to 175. Oh well. Grant Hill, Dwight Powell. Last pack mojo, maybe? Last pack mojo? Oh boy, it's a variation. A variation Prizm. Donovan Mitchell. Matisse Thybulle. DeAndre Hunter. DeAndre Hunter on the variation Fast Break Prizm. That's cool. We'll take it. Not bad. Not bad at all. Hey, you know what? It's still made up. Last pack mojo. Got a variant Fast Break Prizm. Rookie. Can't complain. I love this product. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great evening. Appreciate you joining me. Thanks.